So one of the things that when I talked about the machine tool, I talked about the manual definition of your machine tool. But we also have something, we can also load machine tools from external definitions. And this is what we have, a whole bunch of tools that we ship with the product. And this particular one that we had set up, and then we also can display all the different axes on the machine. Let me run the simulation on this and turn on the machine tool. And you can see the actual machine tool actually working. Oops, sorry about that. That's the entire machine tool. You can see that working. So the product ships with about 25 to 30 machine tools that are commonly available, and these are all 5-axis machine tools. And if you have a specific machine tool that you're interested in, we can actually work with you and set it up. It's not an easy thing to do, but if you're interested, it's a service that we offer. We can help set that up. Right now, some of the limitations of this machine tool simulation is it does not do gouge checking. So if your head is hitting another part or another portion of the machine, we do not detect it. So this is not a complete machine tool simulation product. This is more of a visual aid for you, so you can see if there's any collisions or anything like that, purely visually. We don't do this mathematically and tell you that there's collisions. Those are some things that are in our plans, but we don't really want to compete with the big guys who do these machine tool simulation, complete machine tool environment on a computer. We don't want to be there. We just want to use this as a visual aid for you. Okay, on that note, I think we're almost at the end. Let me open it up for questions.